Yeah, no, I think it should be seen as a compliment, because it's not all they do. For me, Mikel, they need to win something. For something, of course they do. But for me, as a coach watching on, the time he's had there, he's built almost the culture and how humble they are, how they work back. They don't carry anybody ever. They're unbelievable at pressing high. The two centre-backs and the goalkeeper are unbelievable at keeping clean sheets. They're unbelievable at defending set pieces, unbelievable at attacking set pieces. If you go there and you try and play them, they can play you off the park. So I think Mikel he's took bits of Pep. He's watched what else is important to football teams, and he's managed to stay ahead of the game. Like, he's seen set pieces coming. He's got long throws. He's not like a snob. And, like Pep has dominated football with tactical intelligence and playing fantastic stuff. But this Arsenal team can do everything. They can do everything.
Now, when you listen to Gary O'Neill, the way he speaks about Pep Guardiola, now when you look at the image you see on the screen, you see where Arsenal are, and you see where Man City were when they were very, very dominant. For example, look at the XG against. Present day Arsenal, 0.6. Man City's record set in 2017-18, 0.64. We are not far off. For you to know that we are dominating, we are doing all the right things. The metrics are showing that we are doing well. The main thing now is for us to maintain this level of consistency from the beginning of the season, take it all the way through the end of the season, and win the league. Look at XG against from open play. Present day Arsenal, 0.43. Man City's record after 2018-2019, when they were dominant, 0.43. Look at also short-faced, 8.1, 8.1, 6.2, not far off. Look at shots on target face, 2.3, 2.2, not far off. So we are doing all the right things at the moment. What is left is just for us to just be consistent.
And maybe go a little bit early and they fall away and everyone will laugh at these comments. But for me, he's built a real machine there that he's going to take some stopping this season.
So the statement by Gary O'Neill that Arteta has built a perfect machine is not far from the truth. So it's the honest truth. So let's see if this machine is going to take us to the promised land.